He was hungry, but didn't eat.
He was hungry but didn't eat.
I forgot because I was busy.
I forgot because I was busy.
We wanted pizza, but chose pasta.
We wanted pizza but chose pasta.
She smiled, but didn't speak much.
She smiled, but didn't speak much.
He was tired, but kept working.
He was tired but kept working.
I called, but no one answered.
I called, but no one answered.
It's raining, but I'll go outside.
It's raining, but I'll go outside.
We didn't go because of rain.
We didn't go because of rain.
She studied hard, but failed the test.
She studied hard but failed the test.
He ran quickly, but fell down.
He ran quickly but fell down.
I'm hungry because I skipped breakfast.
I'm hungry because I skipped breakfast.
She laughed loudly, but felt sad.
She laughed loudly but felt sad.
He was late, but explained quickly.
I'm tired. He was late but explained quickly.
She didn't understand because the explanation was unclear.
She didn't understand because the explanation was unclear.
I was sick, but went anyway.
I was sick, but went anyway.
He didn't like it but tried.
He didn't like it, but tried.
They waited because it started raining.
They waited because it started raining.
I had work, but went anyway.
I had work but went anyway.
He didn't come because he was busy.
He didn't come because he was busy.
We went shopping, but didn't buy anything.
We went shopping but didn't buy anything.
She was happy, but felt lonely.
She was happy but felt lonely.
He studied, but didn't do well.
He studied but didn't do well.
I couldn't go because I was sick.
I couldn't go because I was sick.
I missed the movie but still enjoyed it.
I missed the movie, but still enjoyed it.
He laughed but didn't find it funny.
He laughed, but didn't find it funny.
I was busy but still helped him.
I was busy but still helped him.
She cooked dinner because it was her turn.
She cooked dinner because it was her turn.
I didn't eat because I wasn't hungry.
I didn't eat because I wasn't hungry.
He was happy but felt nervous.
He was happy but felt nervous.
I missed the train but caught the bus.
I missed the train, but caught the bus.
I like walking but prefer biking.
I like walking but prefer biking.
He studied hard but forgot everything.
He studied hard but forgot everything.
I was hungry but didn't want food.
I was hungry but didn't want food.
I woke up early but didn't feel rested.
I woke up early but didn't feel rested.
He worked overtime because he had a deadline.
He worked overtime because he had a deadline.